Hello, this is Real Shit 8790 SMIG click. You know what it is. I'm about to show y'all about my little teeny little pad here, LPD8. Show you how we did all. I put all my voices into the pads, and basically what you do is you come up here, and you basically after you make the actual shit here. Say if I was on doing a track here, let's say right here. You would put your vocals into the microphone, condenser mic, which is pretty much right here. And after you do that, you would highlight it and actually put it into these keys. So now I have it into these keys, and I'm working with my LPD8. And now my voice is actually in the pads. Let me show you. Let me get to my little space here. Oh yeah, listen up. Here we are.
These niggas pussy. These niggas pussy. These niggas pussy. Jay Jonah.
And that's basically how you do it. If you actually add music to it, you could come to here and actually start the music up. And this is how basically it would work out.
These niggas pussy. These niggas pussy. These niggas pussy. These niggas pussy. These niggas pussy.
That's basically how you can do your chorus. So you can chop and screw, take from other, other CDs and shit like that, and make it how you want it. Pretty much. This is Real Shit 8790. At Real Shit 8790 for Twitter. That's Real Shit 8790 on Twitter. Hit me up there. That's usually where I'm at. It goes directly to my phone if you want to know anything else. I'm just starting like everybody else, but I thought I'd show you my LPD8. Real Shit 8790 Twitter. Holler at me.